So today we're gonna be making a handprint turkey, like so. Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, let's get started. All right, so for this project, you're just going to need a couple of household items, something to put your paint on, a couple of different color paints, paintbrush, your toddler's hands, and then any color markers or pens that you may want to complete your picture. The first thing we're going to want to do is have your paints ready to go, because what we'll be doing is we'll be doing brown on the palm of the hand as well as the thumb. That's going to be the turkey's body. And then we will do each of the fingers a different color for your turkey. Once that's done, you're going to flip the toddler's hand over and place it nice with the fingers spread out onto the paper. I like to hold it for 3 seconds and then lift it up. From there, we're gonna let it dry and come back. And now we add on our finishing touches. So we can put on a googly eye for the part of the face. We can add the little gobble underneath the turkey. We can add the legs, and then you could always add either letters or landscape or whatever you want to do. And that is your project at home with your toddlers for Thanksgiving.